Hi, Emma.
Hi, Alex.
How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm doing great. Are you ready to practice English?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Cool. Do you speak English fluently?
A little, but not very well. I'm still learning.
That's okay. Are you practicing every day?
Yes, I try to practice every day.
That's good. How do you practice?
I follow Best English online.
Is that the correct way to practice?
Not really. I listen carefully first.
Oh, I see. Then what do you do?
Then I repeat each sentence.
How many times do you repeat it?
At least 2 times.
Nice. How long do you practice every day?
About 30 to 40 minutes.
That's great. Have you subscribed to Best English Online?
Yes, I have.
Do you watch every video?
I try to watch every video.
Have you shared it with your friends?
Yes, some of my friends who want to learn English.
That's wonderful. What do you say to the viewers?
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Perfect. So, what's today's topic?
Today's topic is introduce yourself.
Great. Can we start now?
Yes, let's begin.
What is your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from, Emma?
I am from London.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
That's nice. What do you want to become?
I want to become a teacher.
That's amazing. How many members are there in your family?
We are 4 members.
And what does your father do?
He is a teacher.
That's great. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
Oh, nice. How old is he?
He is 10 years old.
Do you spend time together?
Yes, we play games and sometimes watch cartoons.
That sounds fun. Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog. His name is Max.
I love dogs. What kind of dog is he?
He is a golden retriever.
Wow, golden retrievers are so friendly.
Yes, he is very friendly and playful.
Do you take him for walks?
Yes, every morning before school.
That's good. Exercise is important for dogs.
Yes, and it's fun for me too.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading storybooks.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
That's a great book. Which part do you like the most?
I like the part when Harry first goes to Hogwarts.
Yes, that part is very exciting.
I read it many times.
That's wonderful. Do you also like writing stories?
Yes, sometimes I write short stories for school.
What kind of stories do you write?
Mostly adventure stories.
That's creative. Who is your favorite character to write about?
I like writing about a brave hero.
Nice. Do you watch movies too?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends.
What's your favorite movie?
I like animated movies, like Finding Nemo.
Oh, I like that movie too. Do you go to the cinema often?
Not very often, maybe once a month.
That's good. Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing songs in English.
Really? Do you take singing lessons?
No, I just practice at home.
That's cool. Can you sing your favorite song now?
Maybe next time.
Okay, no problem. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton with my friends.
That's great. How often do you play?
Twice a week.
Do you like swimming too?
Yes, in summer I go swimming.
That's nice. Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
What is the last place you visited?
I went to Paris last year.
Wow. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was amazing. I saw the Eiffel Tower.
That must have been beautiful.
Yes, I took many photos.
Do you like trying new food when you travel?
Yes, I like trying local dishes.
That's interesting. What is your favorite food?
I love pasta and pizza.
Me too. Do you like cooking?
Yes, sometimes I cook with my mom.
That's fun. What do you cook usually?
Mostly simple dishes like sandwiches and salads.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Are you ready to practice English today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great. So, what do you usually drink here?
I usually drink hot chocolate. It's warm and sweet.
That sounds delicious. Do you like coffee too?
Sometimes, but I prefer tea more.
Oh, really? What kind of tea do you like?
I like green tea and lemon tea.
Nice choice. Do you come to this coffee shop often?
Yes, I come here about once or twice a week.
Do you come alone or with friends?
Sometimes I come alone, sometimes with my friends.
That's good. Do you like studying here?
Yes, it's quiet and I can focus better.
Do you order food too, or just drinks?
Sometimes I order a sandwich or a piece of cake.
What kind of sandwiches do you like?
Mostly chicken or cheese sandwiches.
Sounds tasty. Do you usually sit inside or outside?
I like sitting outside when the weather is nice.
Me too. Do you like reading while you drink?
Yes, I usually read a book or my school notes.
That's a good idea. What kind of books do you read?
I like storybooks and sometimes English magazines.
Do you also practice English while you're here?
Yes, I listen to English videos and repeat the sentences.
That's smart. Do you ever talk to other people in English?
Sometimes, but I feel a little shy.
That's okay. Talking slowly is fine at first.
Yes, I try to speak a little every day.
Do you usually come here in the morning or afternoon?
Usually in the afternoon.
Do you listen to music while studying?
Yes, soft music helps me concentrate.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and some English songs.
Do you ever sing along while listening?
Yes, sometimes quietly.
That's fun. Do you take notes too?
Yes, I write new words and sentences in my notebook.
Do you review your notes later?
Yes, every evening before I sleep.
Do you drink hot chocolate while you study?
Yes, it makes me feel cozy and relaxed.
That's nice. Do you like meeting friends here as well?
Yes, we usually chat and drink something together.
Do you have a favorite coffee shop in the city?
Yes, I like this one the most because it's quiet and the drinks are really good.
Sounds perfect for studying and relaxing.
Exactly. It's my favorite place after school.
Do you sometimes bring your homework here?
Yes, I do my homework while drinking tea.
That's a good idea. Have you made new friends here?
Yes, I met a few people who also like learning English.
That's wonderful. Practicing in real situations is very helpful.
Yes, I feel more confident every time I speak.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Alex. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. Are you ready for today's English practice?
Yes, I'm ready. I've been looking forward to it.
That's good to hear. So, do you feel confident speaking English?
I can manage basic conversations. But I still struggle with complex sentences.
That's completely fine. Are you practicing regularly?
Yes, I try to practice every day. Consistency is important, I think.
Absolutely. How do you usually practice?
I follow Best English online. I listen carefully and take notes.
Do you repeat sentences as well?
Yes, I repeat each sentence a couple of times to improve pronunciation.
That's a good technique. How long do you practice each day?
Usually around 30 to 40 minutes. Sometimes a bit longer on weekends.
Great. Have you subscribed to Best English Online?
Yes, I have. It's very helpful.
Do you manage to watch every video?
I try to. Some days I watch more than one. Depending on my schedule.
Have you shared it with any friends?
Yes, a few friends who are also learning English. We sometimes practice together.
That's excellent. What do you usually tell the viewers?
I encourage them to like, share, and subscribe, and to practice regularly.
Perfect. So, what's today's topic?
Today, we're going to practice introducing ourselves.
Sounds good. Let's start. What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from London.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a student, but I also help my younger brother with his homework sometimes.
That's thoughtful of you. What's your favorite subject at school?
I really enjoy English. I love reading and learning new vocabulary.
That's great. Do you know what you want to become in the future?
Yes, I want to become a teacher, preferably teaching English.
That's amazing. How many people are there in your family?
We are 4. My parents, my younger brother, and me.
And what does your father do?
He's a teacher as well. He inspired me to love learning.
That's wonderful. Do you get along with your brother?
Yes, we play games together and sometimes watch cartoons. He's very funny.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, we have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever.
Golden retrievers are very friendly.
Yes, Max is playful and loves going for walks.
Do you take him for a walk every day?
Yes, every morning before school. It's good exercise for both of us.
Do you enjoy reading books as well?
Absolutely. I love storybooks. Especially adventure and fantasy.
What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter is my favorite. I like the part when Harry first goes to Hogwarts.
That's a very exciting part. Do you read it multiple times?
Yes, I've read it several times. I also like writing my own short stories.
Really? What kind of stories do you write?
Mostly adventure stories. I like creating brave characters who overcome challenges.
That's very creative. Do you watch movies too?
Yes, usually on weekends. I enjoy animated movies like Finding Nemo.
That's a classic. How often do you go to the cinema?
Not very often, maybe once a month. I prefer watching at home sometimes.
Do you enjoy singing as well?
Yes, I practice English songs at home. I don't take lessons, but it's fun.
Can you sing a song now?
Maybe next time.
No problem. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play badminton with my friends twice a week.
That's great exercise. Do you like swimming too?
Yes, I usually go swimming in the summer.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Absolutely. I love visiting new places.
What's the last place you visited?
I went to Paris last year.
That must have been amazing.
Yes, I saw the Eiffel Tower and took lots of photos.
Do you enjoy trying local food when you travel?
Yes, it's one of my favorite things. I love pasta and pizza.
Do you cook at home as well?
Sometimes. I help my mom prepare simple dishes like sandwiches and salads.